This was a very unusual incident. We've had snowfall here before. We've had to clean off our roofs before. But the engineer told us that the way that the snow moved was created our collapse. So there's nothing we could do about it. We were just in an unfortunate area, had an unfortunate snowstorm, which we hope we don't have any more, but that's the way it goes.
Right now, we're focused on rebuilding and opening up for our community, and we are so grateful for the outpouring of support from our contractors, our community members, and all of those that treat us as family.
We're so thankful that nobody was hurt. That was our main interest here, make sure everybody got out of the building safely. All the stuff that's here can be replaced, but lives can't be replaced. So we're very thankful. And want to assure everybody business will be as usual, except for the hardware department. That's where we got destroyed. But the lumber business, drive in, drive up to Building 12. They'll be able to take care of you. All phone calls now are going to our Pleasant Valley store. They are coordinating all our deliveries. And for our other 6 or 7 stores, they will make the deliveries. So we should have no interruption for the contractor business at all.